Hey guys, John Vapor Holding Technologies back again with this automotive cylinder head. We have half and half done. It's taken us about 35 minutes to get to this point. We wanted to wash it, dry it so you could see this after and before result. And I mean, what a huge difference. One of the greatest things that I like about the vapor holding system is you can clean in some deep places, some threaded holes without damaging the threads. You can clean everything very well. But there are sometimes some challenges when you come into some of these deep areas, like some of these ports here, specifically how deep these are in some of the bends. But overall, 95% of the part is meticulously cleaned. This is something that's going to dramatically change the trajectory of your business, because you're not going to give somebody a part back that looks like this. After you've rebuilt it, you can give them back something that looks OEM or even better than OEM, which is going to allow you to charge more money for that. So give us a call, shoot us an email. We're here to help you every single day. Thanks for watching.